Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the importance of trees and their role in providing us with the essential oxygen we need. So let's dive right in.
Trees, the magnificent giants of nature, play a vital role in sustaining life on our planet. Beyond their sheer beauty, they are crucial to the balance of our ecosystem and significantly impact our daily lives. Let's explore why they are so necessary.
Trees are often called the lungs of the earth because they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through photosynthesis. This exchange of gases is essential for all living organisms, including humans, as we require oxygen to breathe. Can you imagine a world without trees? It would be challenging to survive without their oxygen-generating capabilities. Now, you may wonder, can't we rely on artificial means to produce oxygen? While technology has brought us many advancements, producing oxygen on a large scale artificially is a complex and expensive process. The production, storage, and distribution of artificial oxygen come with significant financial and environmental costs. Trees, on the other hand, offer a natural and sustainable solution. Beyond oxygen production, trees provide numerous other benefits. They act as a natural air filter, absorbing harmful pollutants and releasing clean, fresh air. Trees also help combat climate change by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide, thus reducing the greenhouse effect and mitigating global warming. Additionally, trees play a crucial role in maintaining soil stability. Their extensive root systems prevent erosion, protect against landslides, and maintain water quality by filtering pollutants. They also create habitats for countless species of plants and animals, promoting biodiversity and ecological balance. Unfortunately, deforestation continues to threaten our environment significantly. Large-scale clearing of forests for agriculture, urbanization, and logging is causing irreversible damage to our planet. We must recognize the importance of tree conservation and actively participate in reforestation efforts. So, what can we do to help? Planting trees is a simple yet impactful way to contribute. Whether in your backyard, in community parks, or through organized reforestation initiatives, every tree planted counts. Additionally, supporting organizations dedicated to forest conservation and raising awareness about the importance of trees can make a difference. Trees are not just a beautiful part of our natural landscape but essential for survival. From providing us with the oxygen we breathe to their role in combating climate change and preserving biodiversity, trees are irreplaceable. Let's join hands to protect and preserve these magnificent creations of nature for generations. Thank you all for watching today's video on the necessity of trees and their role in providing us with essential oxygen. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, let's take care of our environment together.